Well, Moby family, here we have it, the new 2022 single kitchen sink that you've all been opted for, and that is now a standard feature of our Mobys. And let me show you how it works. There you have it, very easy. The big advantage of this is obviously you've got still your storage space. You've got your one wash basin that folds up nice and easy. You've still got some space in the front here where you can put a dry rack or have a bit of preparation space. But the main advantage of this lies on the inside. Absolutely no rails in here. We've got a nice space here where you can put the pooch or where you can go and put your partner or your husband to rest. And then you have all this space for all your toys to enjoy your